to impound his property and dispose of the same will be taken. Just so that the entire cases of such sort do not move into this special court and then burden these courts with so many cases that we are back to square one and decisions get delayed. We have kept a threshold of 100 crores to begin with, and all offences which are 100 crore and above will be first brought within the provisions of this law, so that we can focus on the large cases, focus on large economic offenders, and for the rest of them, the existing laws will continue, and there will be, hopefully with these large cases going out, the action in the other cases will be faster within the existing jurisdictional framework. A few more things that may be of interest, that we have also ensured that unless a person comes back and submits himself to the laws of India, the person will be disentitled from defending any civil claim in any other forum. He cannot take the plea that while remaining abroad and not submitting to Indian laws in criminal prosecution, he cannot try and stall the cases or the confiscation of property in the garb of any civil case pending in some other court. We have also provided for appointing an administrator to manage and dispose of these proceedings. In order to encourage people who may already be out of the country or who may run out, but then realize that all their properties are being taken over, if at any point of time in the course of the proceedings prior to the declaration as a fugitive economic offender, if the person returns to India and submits to the appropriate jurisdictional court, the proceedings under this law, the law that we are proposing today, may be terminated by the special court if they are satisfied that the person is submitting to the law. This will encourage people to come back and defend their cases and ensure that due justice is done. But if somebody refuses to come back, I think it does not get any protection, and rightly so, because all of us and the entire nation is agitated about such people who run away from the country. All necessary constitutional safeguards in terms of providing a hearing to such accused person through their counsel, allowing him time to file a reply, serving notice of summons to him whether in India or abroad, and appeal to the High Court have been provided for in this law, so that nobody can allege that he was not given a due opportunity to present his case before the special court. We are sure this special forum for expeditious confiscation of the proceeds of crime or any other property, both in India and abroad, held by such a fugitive economic offender, will be appreciated by all the honourable members of this august House, and I would deeply commend to this august House to consider and pass this bill in the national interest, in the interests of due justice against such people who have run away from India or who plan to run away from India in the future. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.